Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a custom social media button or icon in Mailchimp. This is a great way to drive traffic to your social profiles and boost engagement with your audience directly from your email campaigns. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the site, log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your dashboard quickly. After logging in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Create. This is where you'll begin building your email campaign and setting up all the necessary elements for your message. Next, select Email from the Campaigns section, then choose Regular as your campaign type. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your campaign, so type in something descriptive that helps you identify it later. Once you've named it, click Begin to move forward. You'll now be directed to the campaign customization page. This is where you can configure essential details like your to and from fields, as well as your subject line. Take a moment to fill these in, then hover your mouse over the right side panel and click on Design Email. This action will take you into the template selection area. From here, you can choose the template you want to edit or create a brand new email template from scratch. Browse through the available options and select the one that best fits your campaign's style. After making your selection, you'll be directed to the campaign editor page where the real customization begins. Once you're in the campaign editor, look at the right side of your screen for the social follow block. This block is specifically designed to let you add social media icons and links to your email. Click and drag this block onto your email template, making sure to place it exactly where you want it to appear. Position matters here because you want your social icons to be easily visible to your subscribers. Now that the social follow block is added, you can customize it using the right side panel. Start by adding your social media pages, URLs, or website links. This ensures that when someone clicks on an icon, they'll be directed to the correct profile. Then check the Style tab for further customization options like colors and sizes. You can also explore the Settings tab for layout adjustments and different icon styles to match your brand's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save and Close to apply all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added custom social media buttons to your Mailchimp campaign, giving your subscribers an easy way to connect with you on social platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.